Which natural gas heater actually works for your garage or home? Simple question, but the answer isn't so straightforward. Most look similar, promise the same things, and leave you guessing what's really worth your money. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 based on real specs, safety, and how they perform where it counts. Product number 1, Mr. Heater Tank Top Radiant. Let's start with the Mr. Heater 540-degree radiant heater. This isn't technically a natural gas unit, it runs on propane, but it's often grouped with garage heaters because of its tank top design and portability. At under $100, it caught my eye for its rugged build and 45,000 BTU output. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It mounts right onto a standard 20-pound propane tank, so there's no installation hassle. The adjustable tilt head lets you direct heat exactly where you're working, perfect for garages, workshops, or even job sites. With tip-over protection and a noiseless design, it's safe to leave running while you're focused on a project. It runs up to 9.5 hours on high, which means fewer refills during long winter sessions. Now some people complained about it being outdoor only, and that's a real limitation. You can't use this indoors without proper ventilation, which rules it out for attached garages or living spaces. Here's the thing though, if you're heating an open, detached garage or using it temporarily during construction, that's not a deal breaker. But if you need consistent indoor warmth, this won't cut it. This is perfect for you if you need portable, high-output heat for short-term use in large, open areas. Skip this one if you're looking for a permanent indoor solution or have a tightly sealed space. For the price, it's solid value, just know its limits. Product number 2, Procom ML300 TBA-B Ventless Propane Heater. Next up is the Procom ML300 TBA-B again. This is propane-powered, not natural gas. But it's included because many buyers confuse the two, and it's commonly used in homes and garages. Priced around $230, it looks sleek and modern, almost like a piece of furniture. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses blue flame technology, which burns cleaner and more evenly than radiant models, great for enclosed spaces like offices or bedrooms. The built-in thermostat gives you precise control over temperature, so you're not constantly adjusting settings. Plus, it includes both wall-mount hardware and base feet, so you can place it wherever it fits best. Now, some people complained about the lack of natural gas compatibility. If you already have a natural gas line, this forces you to use propane tanks, which adds ongoing cost and hassle. Here's the thing though, if you don't have natural gas access, this is still a reliable option. But if you're set on using your home's gas supply, this isn't the right pick. This is perfect for you if you need efficient, thermostat-controlled heat in a medium-sized room and don't mind using propane. Skip this one if you're committed to natural gas or want something portable. It's a good middle ground heater, just not ideal if you're tied to natural gas. Product number 3, Procom MN300 TPA-B Natural Gas Infrared Heater. Now we're getting into true natural gas territory with the Procom MN300 TPA-B at $252. It's one of the few ventless infrared heaters that runs directly on natural gas, no tanks needed. If you want clean, quiet heat for up to 1,400 square feet with zero electricity dependency, this is a strong contender. That means you feel warmer faster, even in drafty garages or high-ceilinged rooms. The thermostat control lets you set your ideal temp and forget it, while the oxygen depletion sensor ensures safety in enclosed spaces. It also comes with wall mount and base feet options, so you can install it flexibly, whether in a workshop, basement, or home office. Now, some people complained about the installation process. You'll need a licensed plumber to hook it up to your gas line, which adds $200 to the total cost. Here's the thing though, once it's installed, your operating cost drops significantly compared to propane. So if you plan to use it long-term, that upfront effort pays off. This is perfect for you if you have natural gas access and want efficient, low-maintenance heat for a large indoor space. Skip this one if you rent, move frequently, or don't want to deal with professional installation. For homeowners, it's excellent value. Product number 4, Procom MN100 TPA-B Compact Natural Gas Heater. If the last Procom was too big, this one, the MN100 TPA-B, might be your sweet spot. At $180, it delivers 10,000 BTUs and heats up to 500 square feet. If you want affordable, thermostat-controlled natural gas heat for smaller spaces like a home office, bedroom, or single-car garage, this is a smart choice. Like its bigger brother, it uses infrared technology and includes the same safety features: ODS sensor, push-button ignition, and ANSI certification. The included base feet and wall mount kit give you flexibility, and since it runs on natural gas, you avoid the recurring cost of propane tanks. Now, some people complained about uneven heating in larger rooms. At only 10,000 BTUs, it struggles in spaces over 600 square feet or with poor insulation. Here's the thing though, for a well-insulated 400-500 SQ-FT area, it works great. But if your garage is drafty or oversized, you'll feel cold spots. This is perfect for you if you need reliable, low-cost heat in a small to mid-sized indoor space with natural gas access. Skip this one if you're heating a large garage or uninsulated area. It's a budget-friendly option that doesn't sacrifice safety or efficiency. Product number 5. EnoCraft MaxHeat MH125 Forced Air Heater. Finally, the EnoCraft MaxHeat MH125. This is a beast, 125,000 BTUs, forced air design, and smart auto on-off control from 25 degrees F to 95 degrees F. At $284, it's the most powerful on this list. If you need to heat a massive garage, workshop, or job site fast, this is the one. That's ideal for large spaces where radiant heaters just can't keep up. The smart thermostat automatically cycles the heater to maintain your set temperature, saving fuel and effort. Plus, it runs on propane with a 10-foot hose, so setup is quick. Just plug it in, connect the tank, and go. Now, some people complained about noise. The fan is noticeable, not loud, but definitely there. Here's the thing though, for industrial or garage use, that's expected. It's not meant for quiet bedrooms, but for active workspaces, the noise is a fair trade for speed and power. This is perfect for you if you need rapid, high-volume heat in a large garage or commercial space. Skip this one if you want silent operation or are heating a small room. For sheer performance, it's unmatched. So which one's right for you? The Mr. Heater is great for portable outdoor use, but not for indoor spaces. The Procom propane model works well if you don't have natural gas, while the two Procom natural gas units, MN100 TPA-B and MN300 TPA-B, are ideal for homes and garages with gas lines depending on size. And if you need serious power, the EnoCraft MH125 dominates large areas.